Hello, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we're going to be talking about the Snapchat Plus. What is Snapchat Plus? So, recently, Snapchat launched a new subscription based service. Basically, it just gives you a little bit perks over normal users. Now, some of them are quite useless, while some of them might be good for you. So, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna open up my Snapchat, and right now I'm on my profile, and under my profile, you see this Snapchat Plus exclusive experimental and pre-release features. I'm gonna press on that. Now, the pricing you see below is for my country only, and I guess for US it's like $4 per month or so. So the pricing will vary country to country depending upon how your country's economy is, I guess. So other than that, let's just jump into the features. So the first one we have is our chat wallpapers. So basically, you must have noticed, maybe you've done it on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. You can change the background of the chat. Like, for example, here you see a beachy vibe. So basically your texts are gonna appear on that, right? So that is honestly a useless feature for me. Honestly, I would not want to pay for that. Moving on. Now we have the number one best friend feature. Now, on Snapchat, sometimes it's like really hard to stay best friends with someone, because sometimes you just happen to be talking to someone more than your usual best friend. Now, it could be something, whatever the reason might be. Sometimes you'll lose it, and it's not the best experience to lose them, since the emojis change. Like, first you have a yellow heart, then you have a red heart, then you have the pink hearts, and they can take up to 80 days. So like, your 80 days of progress is lost. So this is a good feature. You can pin your best friend, and they will always remain your best friend. So moving on. Now we have the custom app icon. Basically, you can choose between various icons. Like, for example, usually you see a blue ghost, which is a Snapchat's the default icon, but you can customize it and choose any one of these. So again, not so impressive there, Snapchat. So next, this is a solar system something. I don't know what does this mean, honestly, but it's something related to astrology. I have no idea. But let's move on. And now we have the post view emoji. Like, for example, if someone opens your snap, right? Once you open your snap, usually you see that snap, you get a red outlined square if you open their snap. But as soon as if you're on Snapchat Plus, like if they are on Snapchat Plus, you will see one of the emojis that they have put there. So that is that. Moving on, we have the story rewatch. Now, story rewatch might be something that you would like, because it really makes honestly, these are all just kind of a stalking features. Like, for example, who has viewed your story again. If you want to check who has viewed your story multiple times, you can check that here. So that is the story rewatch filter. Sorry, feature. So moving on. Last, not last, we have this Snapchat Plus badge. So Snapchat Plus badge is kind of like the Twitter blue tick, kind of, not exactly. So it's just an exclusive badge that is right next to your name, and it just gives you some kind of swag or something. But that is everything, like just a badge next to your name. Moving on. Now we have the Bitmoji backgrounds. Some of us love to play with the Bitmoji customization, the clothes, the selfies, the backgrounds. So Bitmoji backgrounds, you can get more backgrounds with the Snapchat Plus. So there's that. And then we have the priority story replies. For example, you really like some Snapchat creator, and sometimes you reply and you want your reply to be seen or maybe featured on their story. Snapchat Plus gives you a bit of leverage, and your replies will be more visible to Snapstars. And so that is kind of a good feature if you're into this. So last we have the ghost trails. The ghost trails is something like um sometimes their locations, sometimes you just don't know your friends whereabouts, like where they've been, what are they doing, something like that. Like for example, if you're worried or something like that, if you have Snapchat Plus and they share their location with you, and so anytime you can just know their whereabouts in the last 24 hours, like it will make a whole trail from A point to B point, wherever they've been in the last 24 hours. So kind of sneaky, but that is one of the features that Snapchat Plus has added. So one feature, or maybe more features are not mentioned here, but one feature I know is that you can add a customized alert tone. Like for example, if you want Ben here to ring his, if you want his notification to ring differently, you will get a option to choose between different kinds of alert tones, and next time when Ben sends a snap, you will hear a different kind of sound. So that is pretty much all from Snapchat Plus and this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.